welcome to my house tour. Should I have like done an intro before this?
No, you're good.
Okay, well here we are. We're doing a house tour finally. I'm about to move. Let's do it. Let's just get into this house tour. We have a big mirror. We love anthropology. Look at myself. Look at the outfit of the days. This is my living room. These chairs are cute. They're from Bali. I really like these. I've never actually sat in them. This is the first time I'm sitting in them. Pretty comfy. I mean, it's about the looks. My couch is really nice though. It's the cheap version of the restoration cloud couch from Living Spaces. So we love a good deal. It's really comfy. It looks like the expensive cloud couch. We got a candle burning. We got the coffee table, little area. Ooh, my crystals. Oh yeah, we're very LA up in here. Okay. So we got a lot of just like things to get rid of the bad vibes. Recently I like burned one of these and did my whole house. You gotta eliminate the bad vibes with the sage. We love sage. I don't know what any of these do, but I have a lot of crystals, like, wow. They're so cute. I just have a bowl of crystals here. The pink one's for love. Like, I don't know anything else. This one, right? I don't know, but it's cute. TV, fireplace. Cute. Then I have like this shelving area built in. I have like games and stuff in here. Got books, decor and stuff. We got pictures, me and my sisters. Next little area is the dining room. So this chair is cute. This is my favorite little chair corner. This is from Etsy. I got it on Etsy. It's like a vintage chair. My mom literally had this chair in the 80s. Your parents probably did too. It was like a big thing, but it's cute. Got a lot of flea market things in here. We love the flea market. Get all the rugs on Etsy. That's where you gotta go. This is a restoration hardware table, but I got it for sale because it's like really damaged. Target chairs. I don't know what these are. I've never seen these before. I have no idea where this came from. But yeah, cute little dining room. I don't know what you call this. A staircase area. Got a big mirror. Little console table. This book is so cute. This is my favorite little book of like Italy and it has all these cute photos in it. I want to go here. I think I'm gonna go here this summer. We're doing it. Andre, we're doing it. We're going to all these places. It's so cute. My plants that I haven't killed yet, which is crazy. This is a cute bench. Yeah. Flea market stuff. This cactus is deadly. If you even touch it, you'll have little things in your finger for like days. And it's like so annoying, you can't get them out. Stay away from that one. Then we have the kitchen. The kitchen's probably like the nicest part of the house. I think it's a really cute kitchen. Really nice, cute little stools. We got a candle burning. This stuff, pampas grass, very trendy, you guys. I always dump my water bottle and my purse here. It's always here. Fridge. That's kind of what's in it right now. I don't know, I'm moving. I don't really have anything. I have Starburst. I usually have this bowl filled with things that I want to snack on. Like during Halloween, I'll have Halloween candy and like chocolate for Christmas and just candy and stuff. Cute shelves. Put like fruit and stuff up here. Wine, because we're classy. I got a lot of dirty dishes. I really like this kitchen. I think it's a good kitchen. It really sold me on this house. I love how like the trash is in a little drawer. I eat like this whole bag of chips in a day. We love. Pantry in here, so I will do a pantry tour and I will link it down below when it's up. Okay. Oh, Louis' cat food. It's messy. It's very messy. Okay, then we have like this hallway situation. Oh, this is cute. Yeah. This is like a hallway. We have a closet. It's really messy. I don't know if we want to show that. This is the garage door, but that's very messy also right now. This was a huge wall. I didn't really know what to put there at first, but I ended up getting these frames. I've had like photos of me and my friends in it, but when I sold the house, I had to like take out all the personal photos and like, so these are randomly here. These random abstract things. I don't know. It's like fine, but it's not what's supposed to be there. Bathroom. Cute little bathroom. We got the bougie soap. It doesn't dry out your hands. We love. It smells really good too. Matches, in case you take a poop. I don't know. Actually, you can't even light them because there's no like thingy. Like they're just cute. So it's literally a lie. That's a bathroom. This room could be like a bedroom, an office, or whatever you want, but I kind of have it as an office. I don't know, I have a mirror here and I kind of would work out like sometimes. So like it could be a workout room. I have my yoga mat here and like a bunch of weights and stuff. Oh! 8 pounds. Some squats and like these tight jeans. Build the booty. Bands make good dance. I don't know. I don't even know what to do this. So, like, what do you do? I don't think I've ever used this, to be honest. Oh, like this? Okay. Anyway, that's enough. I'm sweating. Everything's figure-outable. It really is.
Period.
I don't have a period on there. I have my little desk area. Honestly, I don't use this big screen that often. I use my laptop. Got a cute neon sign. This is a cute candle. This is some good advice. That's the office. Louis' he loves to chill. My cat loves to hang out in this. His fluff is everywhere. That's the office. Should we go upstairs? Yes. I think we got everything down here. Look at my butt. Where do we go first? Let's
start from this side.
Boring side first. Boring side first. I don't even know what this looks like right now. Okay, and here's like, it's like a filming room. This is the least used room in my house. It's like a mess right now too. Like, wow, this closet is embarrassing. Oh look, my clothing line. I'm so cool. I had a clothing line and it's in here. Okay, backdrops. Like this is like old furniture that I don't want. This could be a lot cuter, but it's just not. I don't know. It has makeup in here. I just like don't know what to do with any of this. This is just too much. It overwhelms me. Lots of makeup. Oh, Louis loves this little spot right here. It's so cute. I don't know where he is, but he'll literally suntan in this spot because the sun hits it. So cute. So wholesome. And then this room is another spare room. I have a bed in here. It's like a guest bedroom, I guess. Very simple. Like, it's not even cute. Oh, I should have made it cuter. This doesn't go here. But that's cute. Look at it. More pampas grass. So trendy. So minimal and cute. But yeah, this bathroom like connects to this room actually. Oh yeah, that was like my dream as a child, was to like have a room like this with my stepsister and like have it connect. Toilet, shower, basic bathroom things. I don't know why I'm still holding this, I'll put you here. Down this hallway, this is like a little area with some storage, more products. Okay, that one's kind of organized, not really. Wow, my mom is staying with me right now and like didn't make the room look cute. Like, thanks mom, but okay. This is another guest bedroom. Louis in here. I didn't make it. I didn't clean, I'm not prepared. Louis chilling. This is his room actually. Oh, we have a thing of flowers. Where do you guys live? We got all the states and their flowers. California is the poppy. Oh, remember when we took a photo? Remember Audrey? We took photos in the poppies and got hated on? You live and you learn. And then there's a bathroom in here, nothing crazy, but my room? Should we go to my room? I'm so sad I have to leave this here for the new owners. They better freaking appreciate it. It's so cute. Oh, to catch all your dreams. Laundry room. I'm so not clean. This is a laundry room. I mean, it's kind of cute. Like, wow. Wow, look at her. Thriving right now. So my room has like, ooh, I never opened this one, but it's like legit. Wow, I'm gonna miss that. This is my room. This is my bed where all the magic happens. So much magic happens here. So many mental breakdowns. I have like a star projector, but you can't really see it in the daytime, but this is my star projector. Makes it look really cool at nighttime. I have a little diffuser. This is my side. I take up the whole bed. That thing, World Market, everyone always asks me about it. Salt lamp. I don't know what these do, but they're cute. They're good energy. They make me feel good. Oh, and here's my closet, but I've already done a closet tour, so we're not gonna show that. I'll put the link down below if you guys wanna see that, because it's a pretty good closet. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna really miss it. A little sad. Ooh, this is cute. My chair, everyone sits in it when they hang out in my room, and they always say they're gonna break it, but no one ever does. It just sounds a little sketchy. Sometimes I do my makeup here. It's really good lighting. The view is really nice, like mountains and stuff. So this chair's cute. I like it. Behind you is like a TV area. Just a little cute area with a fake plant, candles, and books. And then we have my bathroom. Ooh, the light turns on automatically. I love that. My bathroom. I have 2 sinks for me. I have my speaker, so I listen to this when I'm showering. My shower is really fun. Andre took nudes in here. It's really big and I like shave my legs. That's the shower. Got a little rug in here. Oh, a bathtub. Me and Andre took photos in here. I haven't used this as much as I should have, I think. It's a good tub. We got this. This thing's like super cool apparently. put your phone on there while you're taking a bath. I don't know. Got this little table, cute candle. Saw it on Pinterest. I don't know. And then my toilet where I poop. We love cute little cactus things. Anyway, what else? What else? What else? I don't know. I think that's it. I hope you guys liked my house tour. I will link all the tours that I've done, like pantry tour, closet tour. I don't know what else I've done, but I'll link everything down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will definitely do house tours in my house that I move into. I'm super excited to move, and I'll definitely make sure to do more house tours in my next house, so get excited for that. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!